Blessed be everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a tarot card reading for you. It's a one card tarot reading. It's a message for you or a message for someone else that might be coming through you. I'm using the Witch's Tarot today by Alan Cannon Reed. It's an absolutely beautiful deck. I'll put the details in the description field underneath this video. Before I do the reading though, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. If you want to buy the book, there's a link in the description field below this video. If you want to know more about Wicca and Witchcraft and Tarot and Shadow Work, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you want to learn Tarot, I have a course coming out at the end of May. And the details of that I can keep you up to date with if you join my newsletter, and the link to my newsletter is also in the description field below this video. So everything you need to know is in the description field below this video. So we're going to start with a tarot card reading today. One of the things I really like about this deck of cards is that it has the pentagram on the back of the pack, which I just really love the symbol of the pentagram, symbolizing the four elements and spirit. And that we have as human beings, if you think of that sketch by Leonardo da Vinci of the man standing out in that pentagram shape, it sort of indicates that we have the ability to be able to command the elements and create by using magic and working with the elements through our own spiritual self. So what is the reading today for the advice for today? A card just flipped open and we have, oh, we've got two cards, so why not read two cards today? What the hell, we'll do two. So the first one here is the Ace of Pentacles. Talking about pentacles, pentagrams and pentacles cards show up. We've got the Ace and we've got here is the Four. So that's the Four of Pentacles. These are really beautiful cards. I really, really love them. They do have slightly different meanings to your standard deck, particularly the way that she works with the court cards. But they're absolutely beautiful. So when I'm looking here at this deck, and I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see it more clearly, is I'm seeing that on a material level, there's a lot to rejoice. There's a lot to be thankful for. There's an opening to something of a material nature coming in a very joyous way. And this means that there's new opportunities in having something and being able to be secure in this. So whether that is money coming in, which it could very well be, or some sort of material, it could be health. It could also be just home. So if you are buying a home, it could be that's coming in. It's safe and it's secure. And there's new opportunities around being able to secure that and having a more secure base to whatever situation you've got going now with either money or property and resources. I'm seeing with the fence, there's a fence here in this card too, which does indicate restriction. And of course we know with the Four of Pentacles from other decks and ways of reading the tarot that often it's seen as the card of the miser in its more sort of a negative aspect, where the fear of loss is so strong that you're almost having to hold on to it for dear life because you're afraid of losing it. I'm seeing, though, that with these two cards together, that even though this is going to add some restriction to you in some way, it's not something at this time you need to be too concerned about. It's something that it's going to add restriction, but it's not necessarily a bad thing, but that restriction will be there. It's about something coming in that's safe, that's secure, that could give you safety and give you security of a material nature, but it is going to limit you a little bit as well. So just keep that in mind, that that's kind of like part of the territory. With safety and security, you do still have, it's almost like you have a choice between freedom and security, and sometimes you've got to choose between the two. And the ego will always want to choose security and be safe, but at the same time it also wants to be free. And so often you might find that you have this battle going on between being safe and being secure, or being free and being secure, and there's a conflict there between the two. So it's understanding that whatever comes in, it's coming in to bring you that sense of safety and security on a material, in a material way, maybe with property. I'm feeling property and money. That there's going to be a little bit of freedom, maybe a little bit of freedom that you might have to give up to maintain that sense of safety and security. But I don't feel, with these cards anyway, that that's a bad thing. I'm feeling that it's just a little something that you're going to have to sacrifice in order to get that. Okay. So once again, if you want to learn tarot with me, my course is coming out at the end of May. There'll be more details about that coming up in the next couple of weeks. And if you want to know more about that, then keep listening to this YouTube channel, subscribe, and also get on my mailing list. The newsletter link to do that is in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra, and I'll see you on the next video.